Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice on your stove. First, ensure you have day-old, cold rice. This is crucial for that perfect, non-mushy texture. Next, chop all your chosen vegetables and proteins, like chicken or shrimp, into small, uniform pieces so they cook evenly. Finally, whisk together your sauce ingredients in a separate bowl, ready to add later. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large wok or a spacious skillet over high heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. First, cook your proteins, such as scrambled eggs, chicken, or shrimp, until they are almost done, then remove them from the pan and set aside. Next, add harder vegetables like carrots and onions, stir-frying them until they begin to soften. It's time for the star ingredient. Add a little more oil to your pan, then toss in your cold, day-old rice. Stir-fry it vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes, breaking up any clumps until it's slightly toasted. Now, return your cooked proteins and add any softer vegetables, like peas or corn. Finally, pour in your prepared sauce and toss everything together until it's evenly coated and fragrant. Continue to stir-fry your fried rice for another 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring everything is heated through and the rice develops a slight crispiness. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Garnish your delicious homemade fried rice with fresh green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds before serving immediately. For a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.